So the next part that I'm able to design is the pivot arm itself. And so this is going to capture a pushrod linkage on one side, and then it's going to impart that force onto the two shocks on the other side. And so it's really critical to get this geometry right because it has to have clearance for all the components that are mounting to it. And it has to be really strong because all the force loads from the rear suspension are going to be moving through this part. And it also needs to be stylized in a certain sense because it's going to be the most prominent component on the rear of the vehicle. It's going to be sticking up above everything and it's going to be outboard. There's no shroud around it. So it's going to be the first thing you see when the vehicle is done. So on previous designs, like on trailing arms, I would have big pocket cutouts to make room for the spherical bearings. But on this one, I decided to go with a different look. It sort of looks like a knuckle reaching out and around the components where there's still tons of clearance, but the part doesn't have to be boxy in its envelope with giant cutouts. It can just be only the material where you need it. And setting that constraint made it look very interesting. It took a shape that I wasn't expecting, but I really liked it. And it's also going to be really simple to machine a part like this. And then some offset entities here for the lightweighting cuts. And this part is starting to take shape from a DFM perspective. I just need to add some fillets and radiuses, and then this part's ready to be dropped into the assembly.